Here I've got BUSH Spira B5 and let me show you how to activate camera timer on the following device. So at first let's open the camera app and then click on the settings icon. Here under camera you will find self timer. Smoothly click on it and select if you would like to apply 2 seconds or 10 seconds delay. Let me show you 10 seconds delay. Now if you will go back, the picture will be taken after 10 seconds. Okay, let me do it one more time as I activated smile shot, sorry for that, and it's 10 seconds, and now you will notice that 10 seconds delay. As you can see at first, you have the countdown. And that's it. As you can see, the picture has been taken. Now you can choose 2 seconds delay. And as you can see, it's also working properly. So that would be all. This is how you can smoothly and easily activate and use camera timer on your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.